Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If you use Waze daily and want to save important places like your home, work, or any custom location, this video is for you. Instead of searching the same place again and again, you can save it once and access it anytime in seconds. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the search icon at the bottom. Now search for the place you want to save. Once the location appears, tap on it to open the place details. Here, tap on the Save option. Waze will now ask you where you want to save this location. You can choose home or work. Or you can tap on Add a new place to save it as a custom location. If you choose a custom place, give it a name that is easy to remember. You can also choose an icon if available. Once done, tap Save. Now this location is saved in your Waze account. Next time, just open Search and you will see it under Saved Places. You can tap on it and start navigation instantly. If you ever want to edit or delete a saved place, you can do that from the same Saved Places section. That's it. This is how you can easily save locations in Waze and make your daily navigation faster and simpler. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick and helpful app tutorials.